If a particle moves along a curve described by the parametric equations x equals cos t and y equals sine 2t, what is the period of its motion? Well, before I go crazy, the period of this guy is 2 pi, and the period of this guy is regular pi. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have some sort of picture where it's going to take 2 pi to complete this and pi to complete the other parts. So the x values, whatever that might be, is going to take 2 pi to complete. All right, so by the time I make it all the way around, t is going to equal 0 and also 2 pi. It doesn't matter how fast this guy goes around. This guy is going to just repeat the cycle 2 times by the time it takes that one. So what you do is the period of a parametric equation is determined by the longer period. So since the longer period is 2 pi, my period is going to be 2 pi for this one. Kind of tricky.